Hello class, in this video we are going to learn how to solve the hardest equation. Okay, firstly we are going to take the square of both sides. Take the square of both sides. We have x plus 1 is equals to x. This is square. Then x plus 1 square is same as x plus 1 into x plus 1. This is equals to x squared. Let's open the brackets. This is x squared plus x times 1. Here we have x plus 1 times x. We have x plus 1 times 1. We have 1. This is equals to x squared. Let's collect the log term. Here we have x squared minus x squared, x plus x. Here we have plus 2x is equals to minus 1 in this side. Then x squared minus x squared is 0. Here we have 2x is equals to minus 1. We divide both sides by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is 2. Here by 2. 2 cancel 2. We have x is equals to minus 1 over 2. Let's check the equation. For you to check the equation, we can substitute the value of x is equals to minus 1 over 2. As x plus 1 is equals to x, we have minus 1 over 2 plus 1 is equals to minus 1 over 2. We take the LCM as 2 here. We have 2 all over minus 1 plus 2. This is equals to minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is equals to 1 over 2. This is not equals to minus 1 over 2. If you know how to solve this hardest equation, you can solve it and put the answer in the comment section.